Hi guys, so welcome to part 4 of Weekend of Challenge 19. In the previous 3 parts we had completed the URL shortener project. So in the next 3 videos we're going to take a new project, that is social media feature expansion. So basically we have to add 2 features, that is one is adding likes and adding comments for the social media pages. We assume that the app is already existing and that we are fetching the details from the backend. We get the how many ever posts likes or comments are there, and then we can add one, and then again we can post it back to the backend. So we have 3 parts: integrate likes and comments into the UI. Second one, in the second part, update the Mongoose schema. The third one is implement REST API and endpoints. All right. So in this part, let us see the code. So as usual, we have a function that is again it has a state variables, that is posts and comment inputs. So to set that post variable, we have set post and set comment inputs. Now here we have the backend. So first we are trying to get the backend. We are using get to fetch the backend from the backend, fetch the post from the backend. So once we got the post, we converted it into a JSON object. Now after that we are using set posts function. Now if there is any error, then we display the error. Now here we have to fetch the posts. So how do we fetch the post is basically when we use it one time, like for the entire application we use it only one time, that is using this square brackets. So whenever the user opens the application, the fetch post is fetched. Now we have to replace the old post with the updated post. So how do we do that? Is basically we are using replace post and 2 things, that is post and updated post. Now if the post ID is equal to the updated post ID, then we have to post updated post instead of post. Now after that, now we have 2 functions, that is one to handle like and one to handle comments. How do we handle like? Is first we try to fetch the post from the backend. Now after that we post it back to the backend. How do we post it? As we add a like and then we post it to the backend. Now if it is posted, then we convert it into JSON object and then post it. If there is any error, then we have the error. Now after that, after posting is done, we replace the old post with the updated post in the backend with using this one. Now the same thing we're using for comments as well. So if there is any empty comment, that is basically if there is no text, then we return, and if there is text, we again do the same thing as we post it to the backend and then we replace the old post with the new post. Now okay, after that, when we have finished entering the comment, then we clear the comment input field. Now basically it is empty. Now the comment is empty. Then if there is any error, then we display error. Now this is again basic things. Now here we are using, in this part you won't be seeing any post. We'll fetch the post content from the next part. Okay, we run the program. Okay, so as you can see, we have the output here, and it says in this part you won't be seeing any posts yet. We'll fetch the post content from the backend in the next part. All right, so let me submit the program. Okay, so all the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.